Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be reviewing the Infinite Beacon Financial Services. This platform appears to be a financial service provider that has garnered significant scrutiny due to its unregistered and questionable practices. It claims to offer investment opportunities typically centered around high-return schemes but lacks the necessary licensing and regulatory oversight to operate transparently in many jurisdictions. Infinite Beacon Financial Services has drawn significant scrutiny and controversy due to questionable practices and lack of transparency. Investigations suggest it operates as an unregistered entity offering investment schemes with promises of guaranteed high returns, which is a red flag for potential Ponzi-like operations. Reports indicate that this company used savvy registered brokers like TradeZ to lend credibility, but doesn't hold the required licenses to offer such services independently. Furthermore, customers' funds were reportedly managed directly by the company, bypassing standard financial protections. Several concerning issues have been identified, such as incomplete KYC processes, hidden affiliations, and aggressive legal actions against critics to suppress negative publicity. Additionally, attempts to mislead investors through fake online presence and dubious associations with foreign entities have been documented. Overall, Infinite Beacon Financial Services operates in a very murky space, and there are serious concerns about its trustworthiness. If you're considering engaging with them in any capacity, it's essential to perform thorough research, confirm their regulatory standing, and remain cautious of any services that promises unusual high returns with little risk. Given these findings, prospective clients should exercise extreme caution, verifying any financial services registration, licensing, and regulatory compliance is crucial before engaging in investments. Always be wary of schemes promising high returns with low risk. And that is it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.